channel. Greetings family and welcome to the channel. It's your brother Prince Ayoko sending my greetings to you from Tamale, Northern Ghana. How are you doing? How is your day going? In today's video, I'm at a friend's welding shop and he has been my welder all this while, since from the beginning of Queen's Guest House. Fuzi, also his name is Fuseni, but we call him Fuzi, that is his nickname. He has been my welder from day one up to date, and he also happens to be my classmate when we were attending junior high school in the year 1997 to the year 2000. So this friend has been friends with me for a very long time, so he's more like a brother and not even just a friend. He's the one who has did all the metal doors, all the metal designs for Queen's Guest House, and his work is excellent. So as you can see what we're doing, this particular thing that we're doing right now is a stairs. We are creating some metal stairs for the apartment that I'm gonna build on top of the lounge, because I decided to make it metal because when I'm going to make concrete stairs, it's going to take a lot of space. So I come out with an idea of making a metal stairs to minimize, the space, and to also make sure that, the space is well managed. As you already know, the compound doesn't have a lot of space in there. So this is what we're doing. This metal that you're seeing is very thick, and it is 4 inches galvanized round pipe. It's a 4 inches galvanized pipe, and it's very strong. I'm gonna show you the thickness later, but it's about 10 mm in thickness. So that is what is going on. Yep. Once a master, always a master. Everything is well measured here. Everything that we do here, we make sure it is perfectly fine. It is very well squared, and the measurements and everything is accurate. That's how we do here. Yeah. This is how we build metal stairs here. Here we are having problem with the power. Sometimes the power will come high and sometimes it will go low. So when you are welding, this kind of metals, it needs a lot of power when you are welding it. The power has to be enough for the metal to be able to melt when you are welding it. That's how we do. See that I'm back into welding job again. So you see here, this is how we learn. You see this boy, this guy who is here right now. What's your name? Abdelbaki. How old are you?
18 years.
18 years. Abdelbaki is 18. So before Abdelbaki becomes like 20, 21, 22, he will already be a master. He will have his own job You have when he gets his money to take care of his family. He will not be dependent to anyone. He will be a master, and he will have a job that is, that provides enough money for him to take care of himself. So here, that's how it works here. Teenagers don't play with their youthful age, especially when they are teenagers. We make sure that we work hard, and then we make sure that, everything is okay. Always tell you that I'm a welder. Always tell you that I'm a welder. I'm a welder. You never see me doing the job. Today you see it. So you can see the thickness of the pipe. The thickness of the metal pipe is very, very thick, and it's very strong. And everything, these angle irons are also, very strong, and the welding is on point. Though we did not, weld it fully yet. We are just assembling it now. So that is how the metal stairs will look when everything is finished. But this one, to those who are not welders, you can't understand everything until it is finished. So please kindly share this with our friends, and when you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel, like the videos, and keep sharing. Thank you so much for your time. Till we meet again on my next video, I say stay blessed and stay focused. One love. Yeah, Fuzzy.